Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today, I want to fix the problem of Google Sync is paused. This problem is very common in Google Chrome. You need sign in again and again. Today I will fix this problem permanently. Let's start. First of all, open your internet browser. Go to your profile. And here you can see my account is paused. It recommends sign in. When I sign in, and after reopen the browser, I face this problem again. Let's fix this. First of all, sign in. After signing in, click on three dots. Go to setting. And write site data in the search box. And check allow all cookies. Now scroll down. And in customized behavior, now add your Google account to use cookies. Just click on add. And write accounts.google.com. And click on add. Hope your problem is fixed. Let's check. Go to your profile. And check CYNC is on. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Please like and share this video to others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.